Alright, what's going on, y'all? So we are back. Back to this little button that I did the other day. This push button. So the plan, so this is all gloss black right now. I painted this before I cut it. So working on some stuff with paint today. So instead of having this black, I'm gonna try to paint this. I found some silver, so I'm gonna try to paint it silver to kind of blend in with that ring down there, the original one. So it'll look like all of that is just one piece, kind of like a factory piece. And then the button can, you know, be whatever it want to be. But I got some red paint. I gotta, let's see, get the stuff out of my pocket. So yeah, I got this one with just the F, so I'm not using this one. So I'm gonna use this as a test piece to try this red color out. So I like this for me because it matches my brakes, and car's super dirty, don't worry about all of that, but it matches the F Sport logo I got there, same color as the brakes if they were clean. And so yeah, but I got this red I want to try out, so I'm gonna try that. I got this other black ring piece right here, so I'm gonna try to paint this one. If anybody else want one, I got a couple extra all black ones. This is black, it just got that brown protective paper layer on it. But yeah, so that's what we on today. Show y'all the paint I'm working with. So yeah, this is just some anodized red paint from AutoZone or somewhere. Had this for a long time. I don't even know why I bought this, but glad I already got it. So I'm gonna try that for the button to see how the paint does with these, you know, with the engraving marks and everything. This should be close enough to that little silver trim ring. So I'm gonna try that. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this stuff in this little box, spray it, let it dry, probably do 2 or 3 coats, and we'll be back. All right, so if you didn't see the other video, this has 3M backing on it. The other one is a little bit it's a bit taller. So, you know, I wasn't sure how this would fit on that dome button, so I made a little extra ring around the backside on the other ones. Same with this though, 3M backing, so it'll stick right on there. You don't have to do anything fancy or any of that. But yeah, so that'll be silver. Button will be red. So let's see how this holds up. All right, so 2 coats in, this actually looks real good. So I was worried about how this would be painting on top of it, but the engraved stuff is dark enough to where once you, man, look, all right, yeah, so it's dark enough to where once you add the color, it's you can still tell the two apart. Like, it's not blending too much, so that's perfect. So ring is looking good. Let this dry. I'll probably do like a layer of clear coat on this, because this still might be too silver, but it might be okay. But yeah, it might be, it should be okay. So I'm gonna clear coat that piece. I might not clear this. This should be good enough, but I might clear that. So yeah, we'll see. All right, so we're back. Paint is done. As you can see, came out pretty good. The engraved part is still darker than the rest, so you don't have to worry about painting it and then it kind of takes away from the design. So if you get one, you can paint it and you don't have to worry about nothing. So that's done. It looks pretty good. The silver, I'm just gonna see if this actually blends in fairly decent. I still feel like it's a little too bright, but it might be close enough to where it'll work. So let's see. All right, so sound real bright out here. This is another reason I want to do something about it, because this gloss black, when the sun hit it, it's just real bright, so kind of throw off the look. But just gonna sit this up here. Still super bright. I think I need like a matte gray or whatever. So not quite the same color. I might look around, see if I can find a darker gray. but either that or black. If I can get this to be like a slightly more dull kind of gray, more of a flat color, I think we got something. It looks almost a little slightly brown to it, but yeah, I'm gonna I'll knock around, see if I can find some more paint and kind of mix some stuff up to dull this down a little bit, and then I'll take the black off, swap it out. But yeah, if y'all want to see the difference between if I went with the red button, I like the red, but I'm sticking with the gold to match the brakes. But yeah, and whatever other stuff I accent while I got it. So yeah, let me find some more paint and we'll see what we got. All right, so after a while you just end up with a lot of random paint. So this Arizona beige looks silver, looks a little bit brown. So tried this out, got it sprayed, just letting this dry, and I'm gonna take it out and see what it's like in the sun and up against the actual piece. But this might be a little closer than that bright silver, so we'll see. All right, so we're in here, and this color actually matches up real close. So again, sun is super bright. From this angle it look a little different, but with the light hitting it, it's pretty close. I think this is closer than that silver that I had before. So it's a little bit darker, but the silver was a lot brighter, so I think this is close enough. So 3M on the back. See if I can pop this off. And stuff is on there pretty good. There we go. So pop that off and try to peel this real quick. All right, so 3M is off. Let's line this up just right. And there we go. So that's on. Yeah, it's a little bit different, but when you're sitting back here and the light hitting it, it's pretty close. And then it's real close to this too, so I think we got us a winner. Again, could be a little bit closer to the right color, but for what I'm working with, it got pretty close. So I think I'm good enough for now. And yeah, that's it. So I'll catch y'all in a little bit and try to go get my oil change real quick. And I might have some new stuff for y'all tomorrow.